Hello everyone, welcome to Weekly Market View. Before looking at what we can expect next week and the strategies which we are going to deploy next week, let's first look at how we performed over the current month and what are the strategies which we deployed. First, let's look at the profit and loss for the current month of the July expiry. I have selected segment as futures and options. I have selected the expiry range from June 25th to July, and I am refreshing this page, so you will be able to see that we have made a good profit of approximately 97k. But anyway, we are carrying some losses to next week, minor losses of 6k to next week, but that will be converted into profits through the course of this week. We have been able to achieve this by following a disciplined approach of deploying just strangles and iron contours. So if you look at our sum of the positions, it is more like selling both the call option and the put option at a wider range and try to achieve the maximum decay with it. Let's first look at how Nifty performed over the last week. So if you look at it, the market kept on falling for the first half of the week, and in the next half of the week what happened is like it was a complete recovery from the low of 15,450 to 15,750. It was a complete recovery. So what we can expect next week is, if you look at the global markets, that is on the global Q side, even though SGX Nifty is indicating an 85 points gap up, most of the indices already closed in red on Friday, and even Nifty fell only by 15 to 20 points. But I don't think SGX Nifty is right, so our Nifty may even fall further. That is what we can expect on Monday. And but for the whole week, if you look at it, but Nifty may hold 15,500. That is a very strong support that is getting developed. And then the higher side again, selling will come in at 15,900 and above. I think 16,000 cannot be breached by next week. On the lower side, again 15,500 will be held. So our idea is not to sell any options within this range and to sell a call option outside 16,000 and put options below 15,500. And as far as our positions are concerned, even though we are carrying minor losses into next week, if you look at the payoff graph from Sensible, so I clicked on this analyze button, so it is getting loaded in a second. So we may be able to make a really good profits by end of this expiry. So even if you make 10,000 profits by next expiry, I'm well and good, because we already made more than 9% ROI in the last month. So for the first week, I'll try to play defensive, because in the weekly options we have sold way out of it, like 16,500 on the sorry, um, 16,100 on the call side and 15,350 on the put side, which is most likely not be broken. And even though we are holding some more options on the monthly, that is something we will adjust towards the month end. This 5th August is more for the hedge, just for an margin benefit. So I have bought a couple of options for the margin benefit. Thank you for patiently watching our video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.